Technologist multi-functional desk, bed table built-in iPad stand groove for holding iPad or Kindle, and desk comes with a table cup holder to store cups well. The anti-slip sponge can keep your laptop safe while tilted, and provide you comfort and stability while using. Technologist portable and convenient, the metal legs are foldable, easily fold flat for convenient storage when you don't need it. There are handles on the table, you can easily take the table to any place you want to use it. It is very lightweight, easy to carry and play. Go out camping is also an ideal choice. Technologist ergonomic design, curved desktop edge, scientific design, protective layer around the desktop, so you can feel comfortable when using. The W legs are stable and flexible, which are anti-slip and can be folded to save space. Technologist perfect utility. If you work on your laptop or book while on bed or on the floor, this product is for you. It elevates the visibility to perfect eye level so as to minimize neck and back strain. Technologist healthier working. It frees from disorders such as backache, neck pain and stiffness caused by sitting long hours in the same posture. Can be used in conjunction with a regular desk to enable you to work while standing.